Now your science revision on your notes for first unit test. We have already finished lesson number 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So today we will do revision on all the notes, whatever I have given, okay? But before that, among these 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 8, till 7 will come, okay? Lesson 8 is not included. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 will come for your first unit test. Lesson 1, 2 and 5 it's already with you, and from your lesson 6 we have started your online class. So today we will go through this, okay? Health and diseases. Turn to your exercise. Your first exercise number 1, answer the following question. Please be careful on your notes, okay? Keep your notes with you and go through thoroughly. Number 1, what is a communicable disease? The answer: communicable disease is a disease that spread from one person to another. Number 2, how are communicable diseases spread? The answer: communicable disease spread through diseases that are caused by tiny living microorganisms. Microorganisms, microorganism. Number 3, what is vaccination? The answer: vaccination is a substance that protects against the diseases. Number 4, occurrence of which diseases are prevented by BCG and DPT vaccine? The answer: tuberculosis, that is TB, okay? TUBARCULOSIS, tuberculosis and polio. Number 5, what are deficiency diseases? The answer: deficiency disease are those diseases caused due to deficiency or lack of nutrients. Okay? Exercise 2, fill in the blank. 1, measles spread through dash, that is direct contact. Direct contact. Number 2, chickenpox spreads through dash with an infected person, that also direct, okay? 3, the dash vaccine is given to the newborn babies at the time of birth. The answer: C, big letter, okay? BCG and OPV, put a small bracket, okay? Small bracket, put 0. Alright? BCG and OPV. Number 4, deficiency of vitamin dash causes dry, scaly skin, that is iodine. Number 5, for berry. Okay? Number 4 answer, berry. Now 5, goitre is caused due to the deficiency of dash. The answer: iodine. 6, dash leads to the loss of body fluids. The answer: diarrhea. DIARRHOEA, diarrhea. Now, exercise 3, true or false. Number 1, when the body is weak, it gets infected easily. True. 2, a person becomes infected when he comes in direct contact with a person suffering from an infectious disease. True. 5, germs for malaria and dengue fever are carried by mosquitoes. The answer: true. Number 3 answer, true. 4, diarrhea causes loss of body weight. False. Number 5, drains and garbage dumps should always be covered and cleaned regularly. That is true. Now, one more extra questions I have given you. So, write the 5 types of spread of communicable diseases. Answer: they are: number A, through air. B, through infected food and water. Point C, through direct contact. D, through insect bites. Number E, through animal bites. Now, lesson number 7, safety and first aid. Page 52. Lesson 7, the first exercise. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Why do accidents occur? The answer. Accidents occur when we tend to be careless or seems to be in hurry. Okay. Number 2. What should we do to avoid accident? The answer. In order to avoid accident, we need to be always cautious and observe or follow certain safety measures or safety rules. Right? Number 3. How should you save a person whose clothes have caught fire? The answer. If a person's clothes have caught fire, do not pour water on him or her, full stop. Instead, cover the person with a blanket and roll him on the floor, the fire will die out soon. Number 4. What is first aid? The answer. The aid or first help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives is called first aid. Number 5. What first aid will you give to a patient with minor burns? The answer. Cool running water or cool running ice. Alright? Now fill in the blank. The first one. It is dangerous to consume dash liquid and powder. The answer. Unlabeled. UNLABELLED. Unlabeled. Number 2. Use the dash while crossing the road. Zebra crossing. Number 3. Do not board or alight from a dash vehicle. That is moving vehicle. Okay, moving. 4. First help given to an injured person is called first aid. Number 5. Apply and dash to a wound to prevent infection. That is antiseptic. 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 Okay, now your lesson number 8. Solid, liquid and gases. This chapter won't come in your first unit test, but we will revision your notes. Okay. The first exercise, question answer. Number 1. What are solids? The answer. Solid is molecules that are closely packed together tightly, having a fixed shape and size. Now question number 3. Number 2 we don't need to do. 3. How are liquids different from solids? The answer. Liquids are different from solids in the following ways. Point number A. Liquid cannot pack as tightly as in solid. Point number B. It can able to move around and spread more than those in solids. Point C. It does not have a fixed shape. Right? Now, question number 5. 4, no need to do. 5. Differentiate between solid and gases. So, even in these questions, you have to make 2 columns. That is solid and gases. Difference between solid and gases. Solid, point number 1. Solid can pack together very tightly. Point 2. These molecules do not move. 3. These molecules squash them closer. 4. Solids have a fixed shape and are hard. Now gases, point 1. Gases are packed very loosely. Point 2. These molecules move rapidly. 3. It can be spread far apart from each other. Point number 4. These gases neither have a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. Now, exercise 2. Define the following. I have already given you. I have already shown you. Everything is here. All this melting and all. Some are in your vocabulary words. Some are over here. Okay. So go through carefully and do it. Now fill in the blank. Number 1. Molecules in dash cannot be squashed any closer. The answer is solid. 2. Liquid do not have a fixed shape. Okay. Shape. Answer. 3. Molecules in gases are packed very dash, that is loosely. 4. Matter can be converted from one dash to another, from one form, form form. 5. Steam is dash form of water, gaseous, gaseous. Number 6. Condensation is the conversion of a dash into a dash, that is gas and liquid. Alright, now exercise 4. Give 2 example of the following. Very simple. You can write any kind of example, okay, in the exam. Number 1, solid, book and table. 2, liquid, kerosene, oil. Number 3, gases, that is oxygen, nitrogen. Now, exercise 5, that is true or false. Number 1, molecules in solid are loosely packed, false. 2, liquid do not have a fixed shape, true. Number 3, most of the gases are visible, false. 4, conversion of a solid into a liquid is called freezing, false. Number 5, when we put a plate over steam, we find water droplet on the plate, true. 6, conversion of liquid into gas is called evaporation, true. So that's all for the revisions. So make sure to correct yourself the spellings and everything, okay?